2018 Mercedes Benz C300 4-cylinder alternator replacement. Have you ever done it? If no, just follow me. So nothing like cooler or intake needs to come off. We didn't disconnect any kind of hose, no coolant, no nothing. So there is a bracket here. You just need to take it off with T30, and there is 2 bolts to the alternator right here, 1 and 2, and here the pulley goes. So you're gonna lose this, take it off. So let's say if there is an engine, so right there, the alternator is gonna face like that. So you have to twist it just like that when you take it off loose to be able to reach the ratchet behind there through your hand, and that should be number 13. So let me show it to you. So you go here from there, just like I did. See, sorry about the light is not enough. So you go from there and open it up. So there is another connector. I don't know if you can see it right there. Okay, it has got the gray lock on it. You have to put the screwdriver, push back the lock, and then push the tab in right there and disconnect it and pull it out. So if you look at here, that would be right there. Mine is melted down and broken, as you see. So again, and then when you disconnect those wires, then you're gonna pull the alternator toward the radiator, be careful, and then twist it and wiggle it around, and you can take it off from here. It's very tight, it's kind of tricky. Make sure you don't break this kind of hose, they are very fragile. This both hose, the first one and the second one, I already loosed the bracket, so it's gonna give me more maneuverability. So basically, like I said, you just, it's gonna give you more room to just wiggle it. You can just turn it then, and then flip it to the side and pull it out. When you reach to this point, then you have to flip it upside down and just pull it out. Again, no hose, no coolant hose, no anything need to be disconnected. And then that's it. I'm waiting for the alternator. It's coming tomorrow. However, whenever I get the alternator, the same procedure. You go that way, then flip it upside down. You go it in there, and then you face the pulley against the radiator and just send it in. Before you tighten any bolt, then you have to make sure to install those wires. First, the main wire, the main hot wire, which has got the 13mm bolt on it. Put on that one, make sure you tighten it, and then turn the alternator clockwise. Connect that connector, which I already explained to you. Let me see, right here. This is the connector. See? Then connect the connector, make sure it's locked, and push the lock back in there. And then after that, you can be very careful. Don't push the alternator too much because you're going to break the wires. You can put it at the right place and grab the T30 and put those screws back in there. And after that, the idler pulley and then the serpentine belt. Last thing is, don't forget always whenever you work on the vehicle to disconnect the negative terminal on the battery. That's the main thing, first thing first. So disconnect the negative and then go for the alternator. Again, that was a very quick summary about that. Alternator replacement on 2018 Mercedes Benz C300 4-door sedan and the 4MATIC. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like that kind of video, and make sure you subscribe the channel. Send me a text message. Write down comment below if you have any question, and I try my best to reach to every single of you. Thank you guys. See you next time.